This is a vibratory feeder for lenses. This vibrating feeder needs to accommodate two different types of lenses. The one currently in operation is a square lens, while the other is an irregular circular lens. Now, let's take a look at how this irregular circle performs to see if it meets the client's requirements. The requirement is a lens feeding speed of 1 to 1.5 lenses per second. The surface of the lens must not have any scratches. The customer's robotic arm needs to pick up 5 lenses at once. During operation of the vibratory feeder, the lenses must not become jammed or misaligned. The feeding direction of all lenses must be consistent. The vibrating feeder must be capable of fully automatic operation without manual intervention. The operator is only responsible for loading the lenses. We met these requirements as early as 2014, otherwise, we wouldn't have survived to this day. Nor would we have received orders from TV light strip clients such as Hisense, TCL, Xiaomi, Changhong, Jufei, Shaoqi, Jinko, Bichin, Dalian, Jinko, and Wanren. Our machines are compatible with pick-and-place machines and custom automation equipment from Chinese brands such as Yamaha, Samsung, Hanwha, Juki, Fuji, and Panasonic.